Good morning. Exercise 2.1, chapter Polynomials. First question is, which of the following expressions are polynomials in one variable and which are not? Okay, so which are polynomials and which are not? Short type question. So first question is number 1, part 1. Four x square minus 3x plus 7. 4x square minus 3x plus 7. So this is a polynomial or not? Hello? Exponents are power 2. Yes? Tell. It is a?
Yes, sir, it is a polynomial.
Yes. So it is a polynomial in an about variable. It is a polynomial in one variable, that is x. In one variable, because see the expression in terms of x only. So one variable, that is x. Okay, and exponent of this expression, see x square 2 is whole number, x power 1 whole number, so it is a polynomial, one variable. Okay, next. Y square plus root 2. So y square plus root 2, this expression is polynomial or not? Hello? This expression is polynomial or not? It is a?
It is not a polynomial.
Why not? Why not?
Sir, because root is there.
No, root is there. In variable, power is exponent, that is okay, whole number. Exponent is whole number, y square 2. That is the constant part, root 2. Okay? So it is a polynomial in one variable, that is why. If variable exponent is not a whole number, so it is not a polynomial. Y square, so 2 is a whole number, so it is a polynomial. Okay?
Okay, sir.
So this is also, it is a polynomial in one variable. And that one variable is y. That is y, one variable. Number 3, 3 root t plus t root 2. This expression is polynomial or not? 3 root t plus t root 2. Hello?
No, sir, because t, there is no whole square in front of t.
Not whole number. Root t, no. Root 2 means we know t to the power half. So half is not a whole number. So exponent is not a whole number. So it is not a polynomial. Okay?
Okay, sir.
It is not a polynomial in one variable. In one variable, because because exponent of the variable is not a whole number. Is not a whole number. See, the question is 3 root t plus t root 2. So root t means t to the power half. So half is not a whole number. Half is not a whole number. So it is not a polynomial in one variable because exponent of the variable is not a whole number. Okay. Next, question number 4. Y plus 2 by y. Okay. So we can write this y plus.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Y plus 2 by y means y plus 2 and 1 by y means y to the power minus 1. Okay. 1 by y means y to the power minus 1. So minus 1 is not a whole number. Okay. So this also not a polynomial in one variable. Clear it is?
Yes, sir.
So it is not a polynomial in one variable. Not a in one variable because exponent of the variable is not a whole number. Is not a whole number because y to the power minus 1 is not a whole number. So it is not a polynomial. Okay, next. X to the power 10 plus y cube plus t to the power 50. Okay. So this is a polynomial in one variable or not? Hello? See? 3 variables are here. X, y and t. So this is not one variable polynomial. Okay. So it is not a polynomial in one variable. Because different variable here present, x, y and t. So it is not a polynomial in one variable because it includes variables more than one. Variable more than one. Okay, it is clear? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Next, see question number 2. Write the coefficient of x square in each of the following. Okay. So coefficient of x square. First question. 2 plus x square plus x. Okay. So what is the coefficient of x square in this polynomial? 2 is constant. After that x square, before x square no number, so it is 1. So coefficient is 1 plus x. So coefficient of x also 1. So question is coefficient of x square. So it is 1. Clear? What is coefficient? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So what is the coefficient of x square?
Sir, 2.
Why 2? 2 is constant. 2 plus. With 2 no x is present. 2 is separately, no, 2 plus. So 2 is constant here. So plus x square, coefficient of x square. So before, with x square no number is present. Okay, with x square no number is present. So 1 is there, that means x square means 1 into x square. So coefficient is 1. Okay.
Okay, sir.
The coefficient of x square is 1. Next, number 2, 2 minus x square plus x cube. Okay. So in this question, what is the coefficient of x square? Yes?
1.
Yes?
1.
See, 2.
1.
2 is constant, then minus x square. Minus x square, so with x square, minus sign is there. That means minus 1. No number is present. So it is minus 1. So minus 1 x square and plus x cube. So coefficient is minus 1 because of minus sign. Okay. The coefficient of x square is minus 1. Okay. Hello? Harshit? Is okay?
Yes, sir.
It is minus 1. Number 3, pi by 2 x square, pi by 2 x square, pi by 2 x square plus x. Okay. So with x square, pi by 2 is present, pi by 2 into x square. Okay. So coefficient of x square is pi by 2. So the coefficient of x square is, in this question, it is pi by 2. Okay. With x square, pi by 2 is present, pi by 2 into x square. So coefficient of x square is pi by 2. X is the variable. exponent is 2, so it is a polynomial. Okay, clear this one? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Next, number 4. Hello. Number 4 is root 2x minus 1. Root 2x minus 1. So, what is the coefficient of x square in this question? See, root 2x minus 1. X square term is absent here. No x square term is there. Only x. So, only x is present. No x square is present. That means it is absent. That means coefficient is 0. Because term is absent. Okay. So, the coefficient of x square is 0 because x square term here absent. So 0 into x square we can write, that is coefficient of x square is 0. Okay. Next, question number 3. Give one example each of a binomial of degree 35 and of a monomial of degree 100. So we know binomial of degree 35. Binomial means sum of two terms are present in the expression or polynomial. Okay. So binomial means sum of or difference of two terms. So give an example of each of a binomial of degree 35. So binomial of degree 35 equal to binomial of degree 35. Binomial of degree 35, this equal to, tell, what is? Yes? Hello? So,
Yes, sir.
tell, what is the binomial of degree 35?
Sir, x to the power 35.
Then binomial, so one more term need, two term need, no, sum or difference of two terms. So x to the power 35 plus x also we can write. Okay. Binomial of degree 35. So maximum power is 35. So its degree is 35. Variable x. And x to the power 35 plus x. Two terms are present. So it is binomial. Okay. So it is binomial of degree 35. Then one more example, monomial of degree 100. Monomial of degree 100. So monomial means we know single term. Only one term is present in any polynomial. That is monomial. So degree is 100. That means power 100. So you can write 5y to the power 100. Many examples you can write. No. This is one of the answer. 5y to the power 100. Y is the variable. The degree is 100. Only single term. 5y to the power 100. Monomial. Okay. Next, question number 4. Write the degree of each of the following polynomials. Degree. First question is 5x cube plus 4x square plus 7x. Okay. So the polynomial is 5x cube plus 4x square plus 7x. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
So degree is, so maximum power is 3, x cube, variable is x cube, then x square, then x. So maximum power or exponent is 3. So we know degree is maximum power of the polynomial. So maximum power is 3, that means degree is 3. So this is cubic polynomial. Okay. So degree equal to degree of this polynomial equal to 3. Okay. Next question. Four minus y square. 4 minus y square. So what is the degree of the given polynomial? So this is a polynomial of one variable y. Y is the variable and power is 2. So maximum power is 2. So that is the degree. So degree of this polynomial is 2. Okay. Therefore degree of this polynomial equal to 2. Maximum power is 2. Okay. Next, number 3. 5t minus root 7. 5t minus root 7. So this is a polynomial of variable t. T is the variable here. So 5t, t power is 1. Okay. So power is 1, that means degree 1. Maximum power is 1. So therefore degree equal to 1. Degree of this polynomial is 1. Number 4. Question is only 3. Okay. So degree of this given polynomial is, no variable here present. We can write any variable 3 into x to the power 0 or 3 into y to the power 0, because we know x to the power 0 or y to the power 0 is 1. That is 3 into 1, it is 3 only. Okay. So degree is 0. In this polynomial, this is single term only, monomial. So degree equal to degree of this polynomial is 0. Tell now. Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Tell. Yes. Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.